Imagine a battlefield. On one side, the most powerful military forces on Earth, the United States and Israel, armed with cutting-edge fighter jets, multi-million-dollar missiles, and some of the most advanced air defense systems ever built. But on the other side, there's a weapon so cheap, it costs less than a used car. And somehow, this tiny machine is starting to change the rules of modern warfare. Military analysts are calling this a shift in strategy. This isn't about raw power anymore. It's about smart economics. Because think about it, what happens when you need $1 million missile? To stop something that costs just a few thousand? Suddenly, the math of war starts to break. And at the center of this shift is Iran's most unusual weapon, the Shahed-136 kamikaze drone. At first glance, the Shahed-136 doesn't look impressive. It's not a massive jet. It's not a high-tech missile. In fact, it looks almost simple. But in reality, this small, low-cost drone has quietly started to reshape modern warfare. For decades, the assumption was simple. The more advanced and expensive your weapons are, the more powerful you are on the battlefield. But the Shahed-136 flips that idea completely. Let's break it down. A U.S. Tomahawk cruise missile costs millions of dollars. Russia's K-101? Also in the millions. Even basic ballistic missiles can cost hundreds of thousands. But the Shahed-136? Just a few $1,000s. Sometimes even cheaper than a second-hand car. And that's where the real power comes from. This drone is what's known as a kamikaze drone, or a loitering munition. Unlike traditional missiles, it doesn't just fly straight to a target. Instead, it loiters. It circles. It waits. Like a predator in the sky. Some targets only appear for a few seconds, then disappear again. So the drone patiently watches. And when the moment is right, it dives, explodes on impact, and destroys the target along with itself.